Wunderflats Review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. Wunderflats isn't your typical rental platform. You won't believe how easy it makes finding fully furnished apartments in Europe. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a listing site. The surprising truth is it handles all rental logistics, from contracts to utilities, often with flexible lease terms. Pricing varies by city, apartment size and lease duration. On average, a one-bedroom furnished apartment costs 500 per month in cities like Berlin or Munich. Short-term stays from 1 to 6 months can be slightly higher per month due to flexibility and included services. You won't believe what's included. Most rentals come fully equipped with furniture, kitchen appliances, internet and sometimes even cleaning services, which saves additional costs compared to traditional rentals. Most people get this wrong by only comparing monthly rent to unfurnished apartments. The real value comes from convenience, flexibility, and all-inclusive living. For example, expats or remote workers can move in immediately without dealing with deposits, utility setup, or furniture shopping, making the high rent often worth it. In conclusion, Wunderflats pricing reflects the convenience and services offered. By comparing base rent, included amenities, and flexibility, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you truly pay for. It's more than a rental, it's a hassle-free home solution in major European cities.